Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am here. I am excited. The reason I'm so excited is because I am participating in an open collaboration which is being hosted by none other than This and That with Denise Jordan. Denise hosted a challenge which is called the Fall Kitchen Vignette Open Collaboration. This challenge was so much fun to do. Denise required certain rules that we needed to follow in order to participate in this challenge. Alright, so let me tell you about the rules. The first rule for the challenge was one, it must be on a tray, which I have right here. Two, it must be a floor arrangement, also a fall item. You had to include a plate as well as an item that had writing on it. And finally, to have fun. So if you want to see my vignette, keep watching. Okay, before I get into my kitchen vignette, let me take the opportunity to thank Ms. Denise Jordan with This and That for hosting this collaboration. If you have not checked out her channel, be sure to do that. I will link her channel in my description down below. I am telling you guys, this lady, she is amazing. She's a wife, she's a mother of 3. She also is a nurse. She does DIY, gardening, cooking, cleaning, laundry, you name it, she does it on her channel. There will be a host of other participants. Do me a favor, show them some love if you enjoy watching their video by clicking and subscribing to their channel. Also, be sure to subscribe to Denise's channel. So, let's get started. Well guys, this is my kitchen vignette for the fall. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did doing it for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Please don't forget to check out Miss Denise Jordan with This and That with Denise Jordan. Please check out her channel. Again, if you enjoyed her video, make sure to subscribe as well as share her video. And also the other participants, show them some love if you enjoyed their content by subscribing to their channel. Again, guys, it gives me much pleasure to serve you guys by doing this video. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.